When it comes to deciding to skip your favorite calorie-laden foods and eat something healthier, many of us can relate to the difficulty, and that it takes a whole lot of self-control. It's well known that stress can cause you to crave junk food. When we're stressed out, we have a high level of the stress hormone cortisol. If we eat sugar, our body releases serotonin, a hormone that calms and relaxes us. Eating foods high in fat, sugar, and salt also causes a strong response in the body's natural opioids, which relieves stress. Meditation is known to be one of the most popular ways to relieve stress. With a better ability to manage stress, we are less likely to use food as a way to self-soothe. Through regular meditation, we can better manage our stress, which will help reduce junk food cravings. A study found that the dorsolateral prefrontal cortex, the section of the brain activated when asserting high willpower, is the same area of the brain that's especially active during meditation. In other words, we can likely train our brains to act with higher levels of self-control via meditation. This part of the brain is associated with self-regulation and appears to be more active in meditators than non-meditators. It is conceivable that one can exert better control over your decisions throughout the day and kick those bad food cravings to the curb through regular meditation. To break a bad habit, we first have to be aware of when it's happening. With improved mindfulness and meditation, can help us stop mindless snacking and start to change our unwanted behaviors. The key to making a lasting change of any kind is to become aware that you want the change. Reinforce your reasons for the why for the change. Be realistic about goals you set up. And then load it with a huge dose of patience. Remember, as with any human learning, slow and steady, with repetition and patience you will find much sweeter rewards. Here are the list of affirmations you can practice to avoid cravings or junk food. I am strong enough to say no to junk food. I am strong enough to say no to junk food. I buy fresh fruits and vegetables in order to make my meals more nutritious. I buy fresh fruits and vegetables in order to make my meals more nutritious. I'm in control of what I eat. I'm in control of what I eat. I always choose good food over junk. I am healthy because I am able to choose only good, wholesome foods. I always choose good food over junk. I am healthy because I am able to choose only good, wholesome foods. I enjoy getting sweetness from foods naturally, and not through added sweeteners. I enjoy getting sweetness from foods naturally, and not through added sweeteners. I respect my body at all times. I respect my body at all times. I take care of my body and mind. I take care of my body and mind. It's easy for me to say no to sugary food. It's easy for me to say no to sugary food.